Hi, Para viewers, to everybody across the globe. Good afternoon. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. For those who would like to see me in Rumble, the spelling is Rumble. You can see me also in the video Rumble app. It is also connected in rumble.com. Okay. By the way, so much for this. My next abbreviations or acronyms video is about more on economics. Yes, economics. Yes, I know what you're thinking. Some of you will be surprised or not necessarily shocked, but amazed. People across the globe will be amazed because why did I mention acronyms or abbreviations of economics? Because there are some it's only two words, then after that it's already gone. It's okay. The important is that there are some I would like to inform to all viewers that there are some related in accounting, like ROI, return of investment, PCI, per capita income. So that's the basis. Or what they call this, there are some related in business subjects or commerce for those who are taking commerce degree. Actually, these acronyms or abbreviations in economics is not only in the Philippines, although all over the world. This is from A to Z. This is not anymore in any. This is not in order, in any order, meaning it's already mixed. Okay. Okay, let's begin. First, I would like to inform the management of YouTube.com that this is a paid promotion label. Paid promotion label. While Rumble is not a paid promotion label, so there are different category. Although this can be dual. Okay. Okay, let's begin. BOP means balance of payments. Balance of payments. Oh, by the way, before I proceed, all my acronyms and abbreviations of economics will be repeated twice, two times. Okay? Okay, again, BOP means balance of payments. CPI means Consumer Price Index. Consumer Price Index. FDI means foreign direct investment. Foreign direct investment, FDI. GDP means gross domestic product. Gross domestic product. Next is GNP. GNP means gross national product. Gross national product. WPI means wholesale price index. Wholesale price index. WPI. GNI means gross national income. Gross national income. By the way, just in case if you encounter NI, that's automatic national income. If in case. NI means national income. If in case. Usually, it's common is GNI or PCI, per capita income or gross national income. Okay. So, next, we will proceed to TP means total product. TP means total product. AP means average product. AP means average product. MP means marginal product. MP means marginal product. If MC, it means marginal cost. Marginal cost. MB means marginal benefit. Marginal benefit. Okay. If you encounter this SDG, it means Sustainable Development Goals. Sustainable Development Goals. In terms of revenue, this is the one I'm talking about. Accounting. So there are some accounting. When it comes to revenue, tax. Okay. If you encounter TR, that means total revenue. Total revenue. AR means average revenue. Average revenue. MR means marginal revenue. Marginal revenue. Okay. Next is In terms of economic development subject, you will encounter this one. MNC means multinational corporation. Multinational corporation. IRRI means International Rice Research Institute. I'll repeat. IRRI means International Rice Research Institute. Okay. CPEF means Consumer Price Equalization Fund. Consumer Price Equalization Fund. OPEC. OPEC means Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. EEC means European Economic Community. European Economic Community. Okay, WTO means World Trade Organization. World Trade Organization, WTO. IMF means International Monetary Fund. International Monetary Fund. WB means World Bank. WB means World Bank. USAID means United States Agency for International Development. USAID means United States Agency for International Development. FAO means Food and Agricultural Organization. Food and Agricultural Organization, FAO. So, by the way, in Philippines, we have some acronyms or abbreviations like NEDA. NEDA means National Economic Development Authority. National Economic Development Authority. PESA means Philippine Economic Zone Authority. Philippine Economic Zone Authority, PESA. EEZ as in zebra, it means Exclusive Economic Zone. Exclusive Economic Zone, EEZ. Okay. So these are my only abbreviations and acronyms. The common that you can see in economic subjects. For those who encounter economic development, that's another subject in economics, or for those who are taking major in economics, this will come out in the acronyms or abbreviation. Then for those who are in the Philippines, you will encounter this, the NEDA, the PESA, and EEZ. Because you cannot find in the other economic books, unless if there is in the business books. Okay, no problem. But if in case they will encounter this, time will come, this will be used in the future for their further studies. Okay, so before I say goodbye, there will be more and more abbreviations and acronyms related to our daily lives. Okay, thank you so much for listening in this video. Good afternoon.